Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. Just because it's Christmas Eve doesn't mean there's not enough time to make fancy cookies for Santa. Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're doing piping only cookies.
For these last-minute cookies, everything's being decorated with stiff piping consistency icing. For our large tip, I'm using a number 3 Wilton. For our medium-sized tip, I'm using a number 1 Ateco tip. And for our small tip, I'm using a number 1 Wilton. And for my star shape, I'm using a Wilton 32 tip. But you can use whatever star shape you fancy. This stocking's all done and ready to shine. I'll list all the candies that I used in the details below, but use whatever you like or whatever you have handy. We'll let our tree dry for about 5 to 10 minutes before we add some frosty snow. This wintry Christmas tree is all done. We'll let the icing on the snowman freeze before we decorate him. Our fluffy snowman is all done. I know Santa's hat is traditionally red, but since I've used this cookie shape in a past video, I wanted to make him a bit different. I'll list the link of the traditional Santa in the details below. Santa is all done. Our knitted mitten is all done. Does your family make cookies for Santa or buy them? Or do you have a different holiday tradition involving cookies? Let me know in the comments below. As next Tuesday is Christmas Eve, this is my final video for the season. Have a safe and happy holiday, and I'll see you in the new year. Until next time, stay sweet.